How to use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become a popular digital asset that allows users to conduct transactions, invest, and participate in the decentralized financial system. Whether you are new to the world of digital currencies or looking to deepen your understanding, here's a comprehensive guide on how to use cryptocurrency effectively and securely. One. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Coin, BNB, and Solana, SOL. 2. Getting a cryptocurrency wallet. Before using cryptocurrency, you need a wallet to store and manage your digital assets. There are different types of wallets. Hot wallets, online and mobile. These are connected to the internet and are convenient for frequent transactions. Examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Cold wallets, offline and hardware. These provide high security by storing your assets offline. Examples include Ledger and Trezor. When setting up a wallet, you will receive a private key or a seed phrase, a unique set of words that acts as a password. It is crucial to keep this information safe and never share it with anyone. 3. Buying cryptocurrency. To acquire cryptocurrency, you can purchase it through cryptocurrency exchanges. Some of the most popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. Here's how to buy cryptocurrency. Sign up for an exchange and complete the verification process. Know your customer KYC. Deposit funds using a bank transfer, credit, debit card, or PayPal. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Complete the purchase and store your assets in your wallet. 4. Using cryptocurrency. Once you own cryptocurrency, you can use it in several ways. Spending. Many online retailers and businesses accept cryptocurrency payments for goods and services. Trading. You can trade cryptocurrencies for other digital assets on exchanges. Investing. Holding, HODLing, digital assets long-term can be profitable as values may increase. Staking and yield farming. Some cryptocurrencies allow users to stake their coins to earn passive income. Sending and receiving. You can transfer cryptocurrencies to other users by entering their wallet address and confirming the transaction. 5. Securing your cryptocurrency. Security is essential when using cryptocurrency. Follow these best practices to protect your assets. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for additional security. Double-check wallet addresses before sending funds. Beware of scams, phishing attempts, and fraudulent websites. Keep your private keys, seed phrase offline and in a secure place. Avoid storing large amounts of crypto on exchanges. Use a hardware wallet for safekeeping. 6. Staying updated and informed. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about the latest trends, regulations, and security measures. Follow reputable crypto news sources, join online communities, and be cautious of misinformation. Conclusion. Using cryptocurrency can be exciting and rewarding, but it requires careful management and security precautions. By understanding how to buy, store, and use digital assets properly, you can navigate the world of crypto confidently and make the most of its opportunities. Always do your research, stay vigilant, and enjoy the benefits of decentralized finance.